All right. So what'd you get for your equation, Preston?
0.09983.
0.09983
X squared.
x squared.
Minus 0.
Wait a minute. Let's stop right there. You guys agreeing with him? Okay. Go ahead.
Minus 0.4977. Yeah. And minus 5.0078.
7, 8,
18.
1, 8. Thanks. Okay, so it's kind of weird looking equation, right? Your quadratic regression. All right, how much weight can be supported by ice that is 22 inches thick? Berkeley?
I got negative 63.85.
Ooh, that doesn't seem right, does it? Negative amount of weight?
Yeah.
Did you put 22 in for X? Oh, maybe something's wrong. Yes, Connor.
For BS, I don't think, I thought it was just 0.4977, not 0.0.
Oh, yeah.
No zero there? Okay. So this should be 0.4997?
Yeah.
4977? But did you all get a negative?
I got 32.
32? So you must have just put something in wrong. You guys are agreeing with the 32? What's that 32? What is this? Weight? Pounds? Did it say? In tons. So when we put the 22 in for X, both spots, okay, we get 32 tons. All right. So basically it's just making sure we put in the data correctly, right? Is anybody having calculator issues? Working fine? Okay. Any questions on 16 or 17? Those were like the night before. This one gave you the vertex and a point. And this one, 17, gave you the x-intercepts and a point. Does anybody have a question on 16 or 17? Connor?
Oh, no.
Okay. Just checking. We're good? And then 21 and 22 is like the warm-up. What, using your calculator? Everybody do okay on those two? All right. You guys are too smart. All right. So sometimes it's not a perfect quadratic relationship. It's close, okay? All right, let's just do one here and see if we can answer the question. All right, so this shows fuel efficiencies of a vehicle at different speeds. Write a function that models the data. So that, put it in your calculator. And then what's the best gas mileage? So figure out the best gas mileage after you put it in your calculator. Please. Here's what I got. I'm going to just go to thousands like we did before with the linear. My R squared was 0.999. Is that pretty close? That's pretty good, right? Is that what you guys got? Okay, so how do I find the best gas mileage? What do I have to figure out? Alec?
Like the highest miles per gallon.
Right, so what point am I looking for? Vertex, right? This opens down, doesn't it? We got a negative A value, right? And as you can see, if you're going 20 miles per hour, you're getting 14.5 miles per gallon. As you get a little faster, 45 and 50 were the two highest that you saw. It's probably between 45 and 50. Okay? So to find the vertex, what form is this in? This equation. Standard, right? So to find the vertex, when it's in standard form, I got to find the axis of symmetry first, right? So the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. All right? So if we put that in our calculator, if mine will start up. There it goes. All right, so I got a negative 1.366 divided by, and then when you guys put this in your calculator, if you don't put this part in parentheses, what it does is it divides by 2 and then multiplies by that. But you want to divide by that whole thing, which is what, negative 0.028? We just do it in our head. But I'll put it in like you guys probably did. You got to put an extra set of parentheses. So you get 48.7. That's not what I wanted, though, did I? For the x value? I guess it is. And I do want the x value, right? So my vertex, 48.786. All right, so that's how fast we should be going. But we want to see how many miles per gallon we're going to get. So I have to figure out the y value. So I have to plug that in. All right. So I'm going to do negative 0.014 times 48.786 squared plus 1.366 times 48.786 786 minus 7.144. Let's see what our gas mileage is. 26 point, if we round it 2. So if you're going 48, let's say 48.8 miles per hour, you're going to get 26.2 miles per gallon. That'd be the highest gas mileage. Okay, so that was just giving us practice finding the vertex when it's in standard form, basically. Calculator got us the standard form. Make sense? Okay, nothing new today. I'm just going to give you a extra practice worksheet for homework so you can practice this type of stuff. There's a couple calculator ones, and then there's a couple with vertex and a point to find the equation, and there's a couple x-intercepts and a point to find the equation. Okay? Good job today. Thanks for your attention. I think that's the one I wanted.